What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Bass and Buckets. Today I'm going to do a little unboxing of my new spinning reel that I just bought. I'm super excited about it. Got it for super cheap, but it's a nice reel. So first we got to open this thing up. It's got some pretty good packaging. I want to talk about these guys really quick. Tails Out Outfitters. They're based in Virginia. That's where I've been for the last 4 years. And they're doing a cool little thing right now called Clean Up Virginia. All it is for $1.99 a month, you can ensure that 5 gallons of trash are cleaned up out of the Virginia waterways where you and me and everyone likes to fish. So when I was in Virginia, a lot of the lakes were pretty clean, but some of them were super trashy and dirty and had a bunch of trash in them. So I think it's a sweet act. It helps the fisheries and the waterways be cleaned up. You should definitely go check them out. Alright, looks like we're using a rusty sickle to open this package. Yo, this thing is not sharp. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Piscifun? Piscifun. That is how you pronounce it. I haven't known until I really decided to read it thoroughly right now. But this is the Carbon X 3000 spinning reel. Let's take it out of the box and check it out. Okay, got a little silk case action. What we got here? Here's the handle. All right. Oh, this thing is pretty smooth. All right. So this reel, I wouldn't really have known about it if it weren't for my uncle. He bought one. Bought it for $68, and I was like, yo, that's a pretty good deal. Let me check this thing out. I grabbed his and it was super smooth, so I was like, yeah, I definitely gotta buy one of these things. So I went on Amazon, which I put the link in the description for you guys if you want one. But they're on sale for like 65 bucks on Amazon. And for that price, it's a pretty good deal. Got a good drag system. 6.2 to 1 gear ratio. Definitely pretty smooth to me. I'm gonna go over there and zoom in the camera. Hold on a second. Whoa, a little close. Okay, anyways. Pretty solid looking reel. Alright, that did not work. Alright, first thoughts. Very smooth. Got a good drag, sounds good. Pretty light and small profile. Got the matte black finish, which is pretty sweet. Yeah, matches every rod. Excited to use this thing. Alright, I'm gonna go put some line on this thing and see how the drag really is. I don't know, I'll probably put some braid on here, but put some line on it and then we'll get out fishing tomorrow. So stay tuned. But my first thoughts and first reaction are good. 11 bearings, 6.2 to 1 gear ratio. Retrieve per turn is 33.5 inches, 85 centimeters. Max drag is 22 pounds. Not bad, I'm just fishing for bass. So 8 ounces. Like I said, pretty light, not bad. Mono 10-pound test, 140 yards. Braid 20-pound test, 165 yards. I'm definitely going to be putting some lighter braid on here, so not worried about that. But yeah, alright, let's put some light on this thing. Alright guys, we're out on the water. Here's the new setup. I got 20-pound braid on here, and I'm going to skip some docks with a Senko and try to catch some bass. Alright, got it all set up. Here we go. That was not a good cast. Oh! Cleaned me. Had one. Just throwing some Cincos. Oh, there's an O-ring. Oh, this is a Nico too, even better. Alright, let's break in the reel here. Oh, had a bite. Must be little. Got him. On the board. Tiny guy. That did not take long at all. Alright guys, that's actually it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're looking into getting this reel, I definitely would recommend it. For the price that you can buy it for, it's definitely good quality and a solid reel. So, sorry I could only catch a dink for my first catch on it, but it is what it is. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for some more fishing content in the future. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care.